Hello everybody, you know who it is. It's us again, Adventures with the Chrismans, and Eric, and Zeke, and Costa, and Zach. We are out and about today. Gonna be hitting another one of... Hey, what's up? We're gonna be hitting... Oh yeah, we're gonna be hitting 2 more of the high peaks today. And Adventures with the Chrismans, guys, look it up, you'll be in it. So we're gonna be hitting Street and Nye today. Supposed to be a decent little hike. Lots of fun along the way. Look out, everybody. And this is the first Saturday that we've hiked in a long time. So we're gonna see a lot of people out here today. It's gonna be good times. Stay tuned for all the fun, all right? Mount Joe. Costa over here he's working his arms and his legs, clearly.
See how long that lasts.
Yeah, we'll see how long the hiking lasts for him. If he does that the whole way, we might kick him out. Get the frick out of here. Oh, it is a brisk, about 34 degrees this morning. We'll get some good views for you along the way. I might do a little bit different video today where I do a bit less talking and some more just like nature shots and that kind of thing. So let me know what you think, all right? Hey-o!
That's like the color. Oh no, they added the color later. I forgot. Oh. Then they got the green, but I was like, I'm not gonna trade in my phone to get a different.
I'm so cheap.
Payment a person.
What do we think, Zach? How you feeling?
Pretty good.
Yeah. What are we, about a mile and a half in? Mile and a half? Or is it more?
Well, we're a mile and a half on the trail, 2 miles in from our walk from the car.
Okay, so
yeah.
Not terrible.
Well, 2.6.
Yeah. You stripped some layers off, right? Because it was starting to get a little hot.
Warm. Yep.
Yeah, I always start with more layers than what I really think I need, and then I'm always like, well, 5 minutes into it, I'm gonna take these off.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Trail's not too bad. It's a little bit muddy in spots, which is unfortunate for Castle, who forgot his boots. But I don't think he'll ever forget them again. So we had him in the car this morning. We got him all packed up, and when we transferred over from our vehicle to Eric's vehicle, Kessel must have forgot to grab him, so he's doing all right.
They start stripping clothes off even though they're hypothermic.
Hyper.
Yeah, low.
Hi.
Maybe I'm wrong. I don't
Stripping.
know. Hola. Who knows?
It's cold though, isn't it?
There's a couple of things.
It's not that cold today.
I like nice cool weather. I like not as many bugs.
Yeah, I'm with you there.
Good.
Hit a bit of incline now, so we're actually moving up the mountain. That's good stuff. Can everybody breathe? That's the main goal.
It's getting a little thinner.
The air's a little thinner up here. We're gonna take a quick little rest break, right, Cass?
That's
Woo.
right.
Little rest break, get some water, huh?
So concerned.
How you doing, Zeke?
Still alive.
Still alive. All right, take a little breather. Doing good.
Careful, buddy.
Yeah.
We were at the saddle between views up, bro. I don't think that's YouTube, guys.
Oh, is that OnlyFans?
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to edit this part out.
I do sell feet pictures in case y'all wanted to.
Let's play some music over top of it.
Something.
No trail means it takes a lot freaking longer.
Ew. I'm sure you could. We're still making our way up the mountain. We're about 3.5 hours in. This trail is probably the worst out of all the trails that we have ever done. It's freaking nasty. Right, Zeke?
Right.
Right. But we're still gonna get her done. Eric's not happy.
Wonderful time.
Yep, Eric's having a good time.
It's amazing.
This is probably the best mountain we've ever done in our lives.
Mm-hmm.
Right, guys? Best mountain ever?
Hey, look who it is.
You know who it is.
It's us again.
It's the
It's
Christmas
Costa again. There it is. There's the mountain right there. Street Mountain. We got it done. Cold, wet.
Miserable.
Well, I'm not miserable, but we had a good time. Now we have to go over and do Nye soon. But anyway, double mountain day, right? Oh, hey, don't forget to like this video for me, huh? Subscribe to the channel down there. Boop, 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 boop. All right.
I'm putting on my outer jacket. I think that I need like more warmth.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Yep. Alright.
Boom, baby.
There it is, guys. We found Nye. Huh? We're ready to go. We're ready to go. We're ready to go.
Who wants food?
I do. The next clip is gonna be of us eating food.
Yes. Smack yourself in the face.
Okay, so we're gonna get food with a transition through the forehead in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, the heck? This isn't pizza.
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Oh my gosh, we made it! Oh, but there's one problem. We already ate, and I totally forgot to take a video for you guys. Castle, get your fingers out of your mouth. Ew.
Oh,
Guys, I'm sorry. I totally botched that, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. We had a super, super fun hike today. Even though it was cold, even though Castle forgot his hiking boots and had to wear sneakers, and it was muddy and it was wet and it was cold, we still had a good time, right, Costa?
That's right.
Right, Eric?
Yeah.
I gotta make sure not to cut this part out, or you'll be upset with me.
Anyway.
Castle, did you have fun?
Yep.
All right. All right. What? All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed coming along. If you don't mind, like this video for me. Do it right now. Boop, 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 boop. And if you're enjoying this content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is usually between, I don't know, once every week or once every other week. Go back and check out one of the videos in the video library. This has been Adventures with the Christmans. We'll see ya.